So here's how to install Pokemon Go Plus. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your browser. If you are using Android phone, then you can go to your Chrome browser, or if you are using your Apple phone, then you can go to your Safari browser. Now here you have to search for the yulustore.com. After that, here at this interface, you will be able to view all of these apps. Now in the search bar, you have to simply search for the Pokemon Go Plus. Then click on the install option to install the app. Now wait for the process until the app is being installed. After that, you will be able to view this pop-up message. Here you have to click on the Go option. You have to simply complete all of these tasks here in order to successfully install Pokemon Go Plus. After completing each of these tasks, your Pokemon Go Plus will be installed. So that's how to install Pokemon Go Plus.